Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And gusto ko ulit mag-share ng isa sa mga naging side PC ko sa NBA. And this is no other than Josh Hart. And tamang-tama kasi nasa NBA playoffs tayo ngayon, di ba? Pasok pa naman sila. And medyo mabigat yung kalaban nila, right? Yung Atlanta Hawks. I'm not gonna lie, I think medyo delikado sila dyan sa Hawks. Pero anyway, let's go back to my side PC, si Josh Hart. Bakit ko siya pinili? Unang-una, kasi nag-start siya, nag-rookie year siya sa Lakers. And nung time na to, nung napanood ko siya, gustong-gusto ko yung player na all out, like naglalaro talaga 101%. Even though hindi talaga siya scorer, nakaka-score naman siya, pero yung all out, talagang effort, hustle, everything, nagda-dive sa loose balls. Even though he is also, like guard, maliit lang siya na guard, pero ang galing di ba? Nakaka-rebounds siya ng I think his best rebounding year was last year. Nasa mga 9.6 rebounds per game. And ginawa niya to for 77 games. So almost the whole season. So talagang natutuwa ako kasi I think he found his home dito sa New York Knicks. And syempre, with his alumni teammate, si Jalen Brunson, and also si Mikal Bridges, maganda yung dynamic nila. Kasi nung college pa lang, magkakampi na talaga tong mga to sa Villanova. Ano pa rin talaga to si Josh Hart? Crowd favorite pa rin siya. And a fan favorite sa New York. Pansin ko nga minsan mas mahal pa yung New York Knicks na auto niya kaysa doon sa rookie card na autograph niya. Nakakatawa nga So let's get started. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga napili kong i-share na Josh Hart NBA cards. Let's go. Lagyan natin dito. So this is my bed. Gawin ko lang patungan tong binder na to. Okay, guys, halo-halo na to So nandito pa yung ibang cards sa side na yan. Mamaya ko na yan papakita. Start na lang tayo dito. So, ito maganda Prism Purple Pulsar, 'di ba? So, team color, nakita mo yung jersey niya is he's wearing the purple here nung nasa Lakers pa siya. And this is numbered out of 35. Okay. Next, ito naman tie-dye. Hindi siya rookie card, pero still I like this select na tie-dye die cut. And this is numbered out of 25. Basta tie-dye out of 25. Siyempre, meron tayong optic rookie holo niya. Yan, some of Prism Silver rookies. Tapos, meron tayong level 3 na Court Kings rookie. Another rookie by Vanguard. Maganda to kasi white yung background. Plus numbered siya 2 out of 49. And ito yung mga rookie jerseys niya. Yan. Iba't ibang posing from Donruss. And this one is from Absolute. Another rookie game-used ball naman. Basketball. Numbered out of 199. Okay. So ito mga GUs niya from Encased. So this one is out of 25 lang. And ito naman out of 90. Meron din akong hindi rookie autographs niya like Select to Silver. Nasa Pelicans na siya dito out of 199. Ito Lakers Shimmer, Blue Shimmer, and I think numbered to. Actually hindi pala siya numbered. Wala akong nakita Yeah, hindi pala siya numbered. But ang ganda, 'di ba? And hindi siya rookie year. Ito, rookie year niya sa Villanova. So, this is by Contenders. And, check natin, hindi siya numbered. Okay. Tapos, meron din akong mga rookie autos niya na from Chronicles. This is the pinaka mataasang numbering is out of 199. So, base. And ito yung red, out of 149. Okay. More rookies. This is by Donruss Dominator out of 99. Okay. Ito mga Ascent na rookie autos niya. Villanova pa siya dito. And number out of 75 tong isa. I think this is the red. Ito naman out of 299. Okay, tapos ito mga rookie cards na to. Ito numbered out of, maganda to, first print. 1 out of 85 by Optic Rookie Kings. NBA Hoops numbered premium out of 199. Numbered. Okay, ito mga Panini na tawag dito Father's Day, I think. No, the National. Ito yung mga Panini National, iba't ibang variants. Ito yung out of 199. And ito naman yung para siyang laser out of 49. Rookie. Another rookie, Dominion. Ito yung metal card. Okay, bakal. And this is out of 199. Pair of status rookie cards here na numbered to lime green out of 95. And ito yung blue, I think, out of 199. Okay, tapos ito mga totally certified na rookies din niya. Ito yung 2 out of 299. Ito naman yung out of 99. Blue. Ascension rookie cards. Yan. So, puros parallels tong pinapakita ko sa inyo eh. Ito out of 129, out of 75. Ito yung rare. Ito, mas rare pa to actually, out of 50. Yan. So, mga rookie normal cards niya na hindi autos. Tapos, meron din tayong mga Donruss dito. So, numbered out of 299, out of 199 purple. Tapos, itong red out of 99. Yan. Sayang hindi pa naging number 5, number 6. Okay. Jersey numbered sana. Tapos, meron din tayong Panini Revolution rookies niya dito. Ito yung 71 out of 75. Sunburst. And yung Cubic out of 50. 4 out of 50. Okay. Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung mga optic natin dito na numbered din. Okay. So, ito yung out of 175. This is the lime green. And this one is the, I think, blue. Mas rare siya, out of 49. Of course, may mga select din tayo. Okay, marami tayong naipon kasi mura lang naman si Josh Hart, lalo na nung time na to. I think yung cards talaga na binibili nung days niya na rookie siya sa Lakers was more on sila Brandon Ingram eh. At saka sikat pa sila Lonzo Ball. Yan. So, okay. Ito naman, out of 99, this is the purple. Out of 135, this is the red. Out of 185, this is the sky blue or light blue. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa mga prism. Ayan. So, okay. Halo-halo na, guys. So, ito is the blue out of 199. Blue disco or fast break out of 175. And red fast break out of 125. Okay. Meron din tayong Court Kings portraits. Maganda to, no? Parang mga paintings. So, this is out of 175. Meron din Panini Brilliance. This is out of, wow, out of 10 pala to, guys. This is gold. Okay. 6 out of 10. Sayang, hindi pa naging jersey numbered. Rookie. And ito, kanina meron. Rookie Kings. Ito naman yung lime green out of 149. Ayan. Okay. Mosaic. Rookie niya na purple. This is out of 99. And Vanguard. Kanina yung puti. Ito naman yung purple. This one is numbered out of 25. Okay. So, yan. Short print. Meron tayong sealed by Absolute. Ito yung tinatawag nilang uncirculated. Kasama na yung mags. Sealed siya. May sticker by Panini Absolute. So, numbered ba siya? Hindi. Hindi siya numbered. Okay. And meron tayong, syempre, hindi tayo mawawala ng silver rookie niya. Ito. And this is a BGS Gem Mint 9.5. Ganda. Tapos, ano pa siya? True Gem. Kasi 9.5 lahat nung subgrades. Ganda, no? Okay. Oh, ito naman yung, this is the rare next day autographs. Okay, so pagka-draft sa kanila, the following day, papa-autograph sila. So, yan o. Ganda ng autograph niya dito. Only a BGS 9, but still, rare tong mga next day autographs eh. Okay? Even though wala siyang numbering. So, considered SP. And meron din ako nakuhang Mosaic Camo. So, this is the Camo Parallel PSA 9. And ang mga camo is out of 25 lang. Okay? Short print. Okay, yan lang yung mga graded ko. This is by Essentials, 2 out of 99. Another Essentials, out of 35. Yan, mas rare to. Meron tayong by Total Certified. Totally Certified. Hindi siya numbered. But this is on card. Ganda. Okay. NBA Hoops. Rookie Auto. Another NBA Hoops, ibang version. Another Absolute na ibang version. Ito out of 99. And ito yung mga crown. Gusto ko itong mga crown na to eh. Di ba? And out of 199 siya. This is by Dominion out of 199. Donruss out of 75 with the jersey. Okay? So yung iba nga dito may jersey, ano, may kasamang jersey. And tatlong version ng optic. So we have the base, we have the silver, and we have the purple. So yeah, walang number dito. Parallels lang. And we have ito, pair of the status. So base, and this is the pink. So yung base, walang numbered. Yung pink out of 149. Later on, meron ako mas rare nito. Papakita ko sa inyo. Yun yung last. Okay. So, meron din tayo. Ito maganda. Yung mga playoff contender tickets. Kasi tinan nyo, ganda ng pagka-foil niya. And this is only out of 35. Tapos, ano pa siya? On card. Okay. A pair of select rookie autos. Ito yung base silver. Or I think baka meron siyang base yung hindi silver. So ito yung silver. And numbered siya out of 199. And we have the green. So para siyang lime green din. And this one is short print out of 65. Okay, Prism. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung Prism. And this is stickered, not numbered. Of course, di rin mawawala ang mga fresh paint, yung CK Court Kings. So, this is level 1. Walang numbering. This is level 2. And this is out of 200. And this is yung mas rare, level 3. Out of 199. Tama ba? 199? Oh, no. Out of 100. Sorry. Out of 100. Yan. Okay, meron din tayong acetate rookie auto niya dito by Dominion. This is numbered out of 25 actually. Yan, short print. Ganda oh. Kasi shadow box ang tawag nila dito eh. Parang nagka-cast siya ng shadow sa side kasi acetate nga siya. Okay, tapos meron pa pala tayo ditong mga hindi auto na rookie. Ito out of 99 by Momentum. Tama ba? I think this is Momentum. Okay. And we have the Panini Chronicles. Ito yung numbered out of 249. And this one is out of 99. Yan. Okay. We have this is actually an error card. Second year card niya to, pero nagkamali ang Panini. Nilagay nilang rookie. Hindi siya rookie nito, guys. So, kumuha rin ako ng isa. Ito kasi medyo maganda eh, yung blue eyes nila, and it's out of 99. Okay? Error card. Okay? And last few autos na gusto ko. Okay? This one, maganda siya kasi patch. So, 3-color patch. Yan, ganda ng patch. Ang laki. Tapos, on card, auto siya. And numbered out of 49. This is by Spectra, yung color green. na parang scope. Okay. And ito, meron akong Impeccable Elegance 2 color patch siya. Okay? And out of 99. Ganda rin ng surface ito, parang canvas. And this is on card. Okay. So, wala akong national treasures, wala akong logo man. And yan lang, simple lang yung card ko. I guess sa mga rookie autos, ito na yung pinaka-rare na meron ako. And this is the status. So this is the gold version. Nakita nyo kanina yung dalawang ibang version nito. Ito yung mas rare. So this is 2 out of 10. So 10 lang yung ganito sa buong mundo. So this is the rarest rookie auto I have of Josh Hart. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Gusto ko rin mag-share sa inyo not just my PC but some of the cards na nagugustuhan ko that are in my collection. Okay, guys? That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.